Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix your stream key on OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you'll want to close your OBS application completely if it's currently running. Once that's done, go ahead and reopen the OBS app on your computer. This fresh start will help ensure the new stream key is properly recognized by the software. Now, while OBS is open, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to your streaming platform. This could be Twitch, YouTube, Facebook, or any other platform you stream on. For this tutorial, we'll be using twitch.tv as our example, since you need to grab a new stream key from there. Once you're on the Twitch homepage, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu, then select Settings from the list of options. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your streaming setup. After the settings page loads, look at the top of the screen where you'll see several tabs. Click on the one that says Channels and Videos. This section contains all the settings related to your streaming configuration and channel management. Next, in the left panel of the page, you'll notice several menu options. Click on Stream to access your streaming credentials. This is where Twitch stores your stream key and other broadcasting settings that connect your streaming software to your channel. Now, look for the section labeled Primary Stream Key at the top of the page. Right beside it, you'll see a Reset button. Go ahead and click Reset to generate a completely new stream key. This is useful when you suspect your current key has been compromised or if you're experiencing connection issues. After resetting, click the Copy button to copy your new stream key to your clipboard. With your new stream key copied, switch back to your OBS application. In the upper left corner, click on File to open the menu. Then select Settings from the drop-down. This will open OBS's configuration window where you can adjust all your streaming parameters. In the Settings window, look at the left panel and click on Stream. This section is specifically for configuring your streaming service connection. At the top, you'll see an option labeled Service with a drop-down menu beside it. Click that drop-down and select Twitch from the list of available platforms. Now comes the important part. You'll see a field containing your existing stream key. Delete that old stream key completely, then paste the new stream key you copied from Twitch earlier. Make sure there are no extra spaces before or after the key, as this could cause connection problems. Finally, in the bottom right corner of the settings window, click Apply to save your changes. Then click OK to close the settings window. Your OBS is now configured with the fresh stream key and ready to connect to Twitch. And that's it. You've successfully fixed your stream key on OBS. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.